sign. All other passengers, please remain inside the station until your seating has been announced.
So, the wine train is a little rocky.
Especially when you're facing backwards.
We're heading towards the vineyards here.
First past the mobile home park on our way.
We're on a train to hell.
Okay, we both have the flour lassi and ravioli over the grape relish with lemon honey cider vinaigrette.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dig in.
How's your meal?
The vines.
I love that. That quick one.
Sorry?
Great job. Is it the back of the train also?
What?
Is it the back of the train?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, enjoying yourself?
All right. Woo.
The Napa Valley. Oh, there's the sign.
Just in time.
Perfect.